Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Sangeeta Gautam and today I will tell you about the colloidal state of matter. Actually, colloidal state, the size of the solute particle in solution lies between 10 angstrom to 1000 angstrom. You can see in this diagram, in colloidal state, the particle size of solute lies between 10 angstrom to 1000 angstrom. When the size of the solute particle is less than 10,000 angstrom, means 1 nm, it is termed as true solution and the solute behaves like a crystalloid. If the size of the solute particle in solution greater than 1000 angstrom or 100 nm, it is termed as suspension and the solute particle will slowly settle down under the effect of gravity. Therefore, the colloidal state is the intermediate state between the true solution and suspension. Now we can understand the colloidal state. The particle size of colloidal state is in between true solution and suspension, means 10 angstrom to 1000 angstrom, or we can say 1 nm to 100 nm. First time Thomas Graham classified all soluble substance into two main categories depending upon their rate of diffusion through animal or vegetable membrane. These two categories are crystalloid or colloids. Crystalloid means those substance which can obtained in the crystalline form and whose solution can diffuse rapidly through a vegetable or animal membrane, for example salt and urea, etc. On the other hand, colloids are amorphous substance and their solution show slowly or no tendency to diffuse through the membrane, like gelatin, glue, gum, albumin, starch, etc. The term colloid is derived from the Greek word kolla, K-O-L-L-A, kolla means glue, or iod, colloids, E-I-D-O-S means like, means colloid means glue like जो substance होते हैं उनको हम colloids बोलते हैं. Colloids means glue like substance. But nowadays we cannot distinguish between crystalloid and colloids in found to be imperfect, as many crystalline substances can be converted into colloidal solutions and vice versa by suitable solvent, like NaCl behaves as a crystalloid in water but behaves as a colloid when dissolved in benzene. So-called colloids like gelatin, starch, gum, etc. are shown a crystalline structure by X-ray studies. Therefore, a clear-cut demarcation between crystalloid and colloids is not possible. So, the term colloid does not apply to a specific class of substance, but it is referred to a definite state of matter like solid, liquid and gas. Almost every substance can be brought into colloidal state by suitable means. The nature of the substance, whether it is in colloidal state or crystalloid state, depend upon the size of the solute particle. So students, hope you can understand about the colloidal state. Finally, we can say that the colloidal state is a specific size of particles in a particular state of matter where particle size is in range of 10 angstrom to 1000 angstrom, and it is the mid state of true solution and suspension. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.